Okay, so I'm going to take this lime green from a customized Colourpop palette, and I'm going to use that in the crease. So I forgot to mention, the brush I'm using here is from the Vegan Pro collection by BH Cosmetics. This is the fluffy blending brush. Okay, so I'm taking these 2 shades of green from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to build that up in the crease. Okay, so now I'm going in with this forest green shade, and I'm going to use it just to deepen it up a little bit more. Okay, going in with these 2 purple shades, you're going to pack that in the outer corner of the lid. The brush I'm using here is a pointed tapered blending brush, and I'm using that to pack on the color in the outer corner of the lid. And I had no idea that this palette had a lot of fallout, so if I would have known that, I would have did my eyeshadow first and then my foundation. Okay, so the brush I'm using is a clean, dense brush, and I'm using it to buff out the outer corners of the lid so it could look a lot softer and smoother. Okay, so this is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Fizz, and I'm just going to be applying that to the inner corner of the lid. I ended up spraying the brush with a little bit of Fix Plus so the color could pop a little bit more. Going back with the lime green, we're going to use this color to blend everything together. So I'm adding these 2 greens again so it could brighten up the look. Here I'm just adding some mascara so I could prep for my false lashes. Okay, so basically you're gonna repeat the steps onto the bottom lash line. Okay, for this step, I took a small detail brush and packed the purple as close to the lower lash line to give it a more smoked out effect. Okay, so right here I'm just smoking out the lower lash line, but I'm mainly focusing on the outer corner. So right here I'm just lining the waterline and tight lining so the lashes can blend more and everything looks put together. I don't know, for me, I have to put on mascara on my lower lashes or I'll just feel like something's missing the whole entire day. Okay, so I had already lined my lips. Now I'm taking Kat Von D's Studied Kiss lipstick in the shade Plan 9. Going in with the darker shade of green, I'm going to use a liner brush to darken up the outer corners of the lips.